Against COVID-19, the nation's top doctors with a warning. There are now 3 new highly contagious variants first reported in the UK, South Africa, and Brazil in the U.S. right now. The CDC saying at least 32 states, including Georgia, are reporting more than 450 cases. At least 19 cases of the UK variant have been identified in and around the metro. So far, the CDC says more than 30 million Americans have been vaccinated against the virus. 25 million have received 1 dose and another 5 million have received both required doses. Now to a look at how many are getting into the arms of Georgians. Take a look at this graphic here. The area in blue shows that more than 954,000 vaccines have gone into arms, and the area in green represents just over 485,000 doses still sitting in freezers. 92% of vaccines allocated for Georgia have been shipped here. But still, demand for the vaccine is outweighing supply and causing some counties in the metro to put a pause on vaccinations. Christy Diaz joining us live at Cobb-Douglas Health Department, where this is happening.
This week, Georgia starts getting a larger shipment of vaccine doses from the federal government, but even with that increase, it's just simply not enough. So Cobb-Douglas Health Department has decided to pause any new appointments right now. So this new shipment that's coming from the federal government increases the supply that Georgia is getting by about 26,000. It goes up to now a total of 146,000 doses per week, up from 120,000 doses. But Governor Brian Kemp's spokesman Cody Hall says 26,000 additional vaccines spread over 159 Georgia counties and 18 public health districts will not significantly change the current shortage of vaccine supply relative to the demand we're seeing. And we're seeing that play out right here in Cobb and Douglas counties. They posted a message on its website saying that they're not making any new appointments at this time because they want to, quote, ensure adequate vaccine supply for the currently scheduled appointments. But a big note here, if you already have an appointment, you are not affected. You are still good to go. So other counties are still taking appointments. We checked around to several other counties and they are still accepting them if you can find one. And Publix will open more appointments this morning across 97 of its pharmacies across the state. And Kroger announced that later this week, they should be opening up some new appointments as well. Shiva.
All right, Christy, thank you. So we're going to follow up now with the information that Christy just provided to you regarding Publix. So those appointments will be open in less than a half hour, and those are new rounds of appointments at nearly 100 pharmacies statewide. You have to go online to make the appointment. They're expected to fill up quickly. Last week, 10,000 openings with Publix were filled in under an hour. The online portal opens up at 6 a.m. and we have a link for you in our story on 11alive.com. If you need more information about testing sites or vaccine appointments, you can also text the word vaccines to 404-885-7600 and we'll send a link directly to your phone. Again, the number to text is 404-885-7600.